Hello guys, today we are going to unbox the DJI Mavic 2 Pro and I will tell you how to set it up for the flight, as well as I will be telling you some of the laws concerning flight of this flying machine. So stick around. Hello guys, as you can see that this is the DJI Mavic 2 Pro and it is usually wrapped in the plastic, and you can cut it off from the down and make sure that this seal here is perfectly intact when you buy it. You can see that this is the seal over here, and what you can do is you basically can take it off like this. You can take it off from here, and after taking off the seal you can open the box of the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. After opening this box, you can see that there is one controller, there is one this box, and this is another box. And after we take out the controller, we can see that there is another box. So this phone comes along with 3 small boxes and one controller, and the last one is this DJI Mavic Pro 2 drone. How to open its wings? So this opens in this direction, whereas these other 2 opens in this direction and this direction. So this is how you open it up. So after opening up the box, I'm going to open up these small boxes and see what's in there, and I'm going to show you that how to fix them on this drone. Seems like we have a cable, and this seems like the charging cable, and here we have a charger that we're going to take out. And now we open up another box and see what's in there. So here we can see that there are some small packets in it, and we're gonna open it up and I'm gonna show you what's in there. So guys, this is everything that we got in this box. So here is the charger, and here is its cable. Here is an extra cable that is USB as well as USB-C cable that you can connect it with your drone, and you can take out the data from your drone that is stored in the internal memory of this drone to your computer or any other device. So here you can see there are 4 propellers, and you can distinguish between them because 2 of them have white circles on them, whereas 2 of them are without circles. So what you can do is basically fix this propeller on the motor where it have white marks on it. And you can also see that these are the 2 propellers which don't have the white marks, so you can put them on the motors without the white marks. So here is our controller. It opens up in this direction. You can open it in this way, and you can fix your mobile device inside it. And you can see that there is a connector which connects with iPhone, but if you don't use the iPhone, you can basically use this cable which fits with the Android telephone, and there are 2 of them actually present in the box. One of them is this one, which is basically for the older version of the Android phone, and this can be used for the newer versions with the USB-C cable. And you can basically fix this one over that spot and this one with your telephone, and you can put it inside. And after putting it inside, you can fix your mobile here and you can adjust it. And you can also see that there are 2 joystick tops that you can fix it over there by just rotating, and after rotating it you are basically good to go. So now I'm going to show you how to fix these propellers on this motor. You can see that it have 3 legs, and you can also see that on the motor you will see that there are 3 holes. So you can just plug it in, and after plugging it in, what you can do is just rotate the motor, and when you will rotate the motor, the wing will get fixed on it. Here is the charger. What you can do is basically plug in this cable inside, and after that what you can do is basically take off this battery, because it have 2 buttons on its side, and you can push them and then pull it out in this way. And after pulling it out, what you can do is just plug it in, and you can put this switch in the electric board so that this battery can charge. So how can you check that whether this battery is fully charged or not? You can just push it once, and you see that the whole circle is blinking, which means this battery is fully charged. Actually, this button have 4 sections, and each section represents the 25% of the charging of the battery. And I have already charged it, so all of the circle is blinking, which means the battery is almost full. So another thing that I want to show you is how to charge this controller, and you can see that on this charger there is a cable. You can just pull it out from here, and you can plug it in right there carefully, and when it's plugged in and when the switch is plugged on, what will happen is this controller will show you charging over here. We have fixed the propeller on the drone, and make sure that you take off this casing, plastic casing that is present on the gimbal camera, and you take it out before flying the drone. Here you can put, on one side you can put the memory card. Here is the place where you can put the memory card inside it. So on the other side, here, right here, you can plug in the USB-C cable here, and you can take out the stored videos or the footage from this drone directly to your computer or the other device. So I have fixed my phone to the controller, and for flying the drone you need an app which you can download from the DJI website, or you can download it from the App Store. And the first thing you need to do is switch on your remote control by double clicking it, and keep it clicked until it switches on, and it will write that connecting. So the second thing you need to do is to double click on the drone power button, and you see the drone has switched on and its camera is moving. The gimbal is basically calibrating itself, and from here you can see there is a button which says go fly, and from here you can fly this drone. So for the more information, maybe you can see some other tutorial, and I will be showing you a demo that how to fly a drone in a while. But before that, I'm going to tell you some of the rules and regulations for flying a drone. So different countries might have different rules and regulations regarding flying a drone, but some of the basic regulations which are in the United States or in Pakistan is that you cannot fly a drone within the vicinity of an airport, and these regulations have been given by the Civil Aviation Authority. They say that you cannot fly the drone within the premises of 5 kilometers from an airport, and when you fly the drone, don't fly it higher than 400 feet, that is 120 meters. And the other regulations that you need to follow is make sure you don't take the footage of the sensitive areas or the sensitive cities or the sensitive places, and also don't fly the drone nearby any petroleum industry. And also make sure when you want to fly a drone in some other premises, do take the permission from them first, and don't take the picture of the people without their permission. So this is a very good flying machine. You can use it for capturing very nice cinematic views. You can use it for making some sort of educational documentaries. You can use it for the marriage ceremonies. So try to use this machine in a positive way. So guys, if you like this video and find it helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you can watch more informative videos like this in the future. Thank you.